Shall we start the class? Today, we'll do the construction of quadrilateral. Yes, children. In general, to construct a quadrilateral, we need four measurements. Okay. Only if four measurements are given, we can construct a quadrilateral. When four sides and a diagonal is given, how to construct a quadrilateral? See, you read this example 5.21. What is given? DE is 6 centimeter and EA is 5 centimeter. Then AR is 5.5 centimeter and RD is 5.2 centimeter. Then DA, it is 10 centimeter. And you are asked to construct a quadrilateral DEAR. And you are asked to find the area of the constructed quadrilateral. And here children, finding the area of a quadrilateral, that we'll see later. Just we'll construct the quadrilateral. That's enough now. Okay. Finding the area and all, we'll see it later. Clear, girls? So we have written the given part, and now we have to do the next step, the rough diagram. What is a rough diagram? Sample of a quadrilateral. So here, so now we'll draw a rough diagram. You need not see up the measurements, just you draw a quadrilateral. And now name it as D, E, A and R. And what is given? DE is 6 centimeter, right? And AE, EA and AE both are same. So it is 5 centimeter. And this one it is 5.5 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter. And the diagonal DA, it is 10 centimeter. And now we'll start the construction. So first step, what we have to do now? Shall we take that DE? Yes, take DE 6 centimeter. Then name it as D and it is 6 centimeter. And now take your compass, take 5 centimeter in your compass and place it at E. Place your compass at E and cut an arc for 5 centimeter. And then take 10 centimeter in your compass and place it at D and then cut an arc to the previous arc. Done. Now join them. And name that vertex as A. Clear? Write the measurements now. And now, again using the compass, you have to construct the vertex R. Take 5.2 centimeter in your compass and place it at D and cut an arc. And now you take 5.5 centimeter in your compass and place your compass at A and cut an arc to the previous arc. Are you getting, ma? And name that point of intersection as R. And now join DR and AR. Now write the measurements. It is 5.5 centimeter and then 5.2. That's all. We have constructed a quadrilateral. Are you clear, girls? Yes. We'll move to the next example. We'll see the next type. When 3 sides are given, so already I said we need 5 measurements. Where 3 sides are given and 2 diagonals are given. Okay. So totally we have 5 measurements. So we can construct a quadrilateral. And take the next example, 5.2. Here what is given? NI, it is said as 4.5 centimeter and IC, it is 4.3 centimeter. NE, it is 3.5 centimeter. NC, 5.5 centimeter. IE, 5 centimeter. Got it? And here you are asked to construct the quadrilateral NICE. Right? After writing the given one, you have to draw the rough diagram. N, I, C, E. Draw the diagonal. Ni is 4.5 centimeter. Next, Ci is 4.3 centimeter. Ne is 3.5 centimeter. NC is 5.5 centimeter. IE, it is 5 centimeter. Here you have to use a sharp pencil, ma. Okay. Use a separate pencil for writing. Have a separate pencil for drawing the line, and have a separate pencil for your compass. Okay. The pencil which you are using in the compass, you should not use that for writing. Okay, fine, dear. We'll start now. Now you draw the segment NI of 4.5 centimeter. Right? Take your compass. Which part shall we construct now? Shall we find the point C? Yes. So you take your compass, take 4.3 centimeter in your compass, place your compass at I. Then, and now cut the arc of 4.3 centimeter. So measure the compass by 5.5 centimeter. Place your compass at N, at the previous arc. Are you getting like this? And now name that vertex as C. Join N, C, I, C. Now write the measurements what you have taken. It is 4.3 centimeter, and this one it is 5.5 centimeter. And now you see what is there, NE and EI is there, isn't it? So you take 3.5 centimeter in your compass, place it at N and cut an arc. Are you getting like this? And now take 5 centimeter in your compass, place it at I, and now cut the arc to the previous arc and name it as E. Join them. E, N, since this diagonal measurement is given, we have to join the diagonal also. Okay. And write the diagonal is 5 centimeter. And NE it is 3.5 centimeter. Are you getting like this, children? Yes, we'll see the next. How to construct a quadrilateral when four sides and an angle is given. You take the example, ma, 5.23. So here what is given? MA, it is 4 centimeter. AT, 3.6 centimeter. CH, it's given 4.5 centimeter. MH, 5 centimeter. And an angle is given, angle A, 85 degree. So now we have to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram need not resemble the fair diagram. It should be a quadrilateral, that's all. Right? And now name it off. So M, this is A, this vertex is C, and here it is H. And what is given? MA is 4 centimeter, write it off. And next 3.6 is AT, and HT it is 4.5 centimeter. MH it is 5 centimeter. Right? And one angle is given. Angle is at A, it is 85 degree. So here it is 85 degree. Mark it as. Just draw the segment MA 4 centimeter. Name it as MA. Write the measurement 4 centimeter. Okay, take your protractor. Now you are going to measure 85 degree in the point A. So place your protractor at A, right? And now you measure 85 degree. I hope you know to measure the angle. Have you seen the previous videos? Yes. Take 85 degree. Yes. Now join that. Put an arrow mark. Whenever you are drawing an angle, taking an angle, you have to draw only the ray. That is, you have to put an arrow mark to the other end. Right. And now take your compass, measure 3.6 centimeter in your compass. Place it at A. And now cut an arc. You name it as T. And now find the vertex H. So now you take 5 centimeter in your compass, place it at M and cut an arc. And now take 4.5 centimeter, place your compass at T. Yes, that point of intersection is H. And now join them. Write the measurements down. Okay, da. Yes, we'll see the next type using 3 sides and 2 angles. Take the example 5.24. Here what is given? Read the sum. Yes, note it down. AD is 7 centimeter. AD, it is 5 centimeter. CD, that is 5 centimeter. And angle BAC is equal to 50 degree. And angle ABC is 60 degree. Here, while reading angle BAC, here where does this angle fall? The angle falls in the vertex text A, right? Now you take your rough diagram. To draw the rough diagram, use your scale. It is ABCD, isn't it? And now write the measurement. So your angle will be somewhere here, right? So see here, angle BAC is 50 degree. Am I right? And now you see in your A, vertex A, you should take this 50 degree and how do an angle form? Angle will be formed in between two rays, isn't it? In between two rays, an angle will be formed. And here it is said, this is your A. That's why you are getting this as 50 degree. Am I right? And the ray, the one ray will be this one, these two. That is, this will be B. And the other ray will be these two. That is A to C. Are you clear, ma? So here angle ABC means angle lies between two rays. That is AB and AC. And coming to the next one, it is angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. And now here, what are the rays? It is BA and BC. Right? The angle lies 60 degree lies between BA and BC. Are you clear, ma? So here, you have to draw the diagonal AC. And now this will be your 50 degree. Are you getting, ma? It is B, B, A, C. Right? And next one, A, B, C. So your angle will be here. Right? B, A and B, C. So this will be your 60 degree. Shall we start our construction? Yes. Take AB 7 centimeter. Take out your protractor. Keep your protractor at A. Measure 50 degree. Now join that. Now keep your protractor at B. Take 60 degree. Join them with B. With arrow mark. Can you see both the rays intersect at one point? That will be your C. Take down 50° and 60°. Yes, now take out your compass. Take 5 centimeter. Place it at A. Cut an arc. Now, see, DC is also 5 centimeter. So, keep the same compass at C and cut the arc. The point of intersection of both arc is D. Now, join them. Yes, write the measurement. Yes, that's the children. Next type, when two sides and three angles are given, how to construct a quadrilateral. Take the example 5.25. Yes, read the sum. What is given? PQ, it is 5 centimeter. QR, that is also 5 centimeter. And next angle, QPR, it is 50°. Angle PRS, 40°. And angle RCS, that is 80°. You are asked to construct a quadrilateral PQRS. Name it as P, Q, R, and S. What is PQ? It is 5 centimeter. Next QR, it is also 5 centimeter. And coming to the angle is formed at P, right? QPR, it is 50°, angle is formed at P. So one arm is PQ. Okay, right? PQ is there, one arm is there, and the other arm is PR. PR is not there. What is PR? PR is the diagonal, isn't it? So you join the diagonal. Got it? PR. And now this will be your angle 50°. Right? And next angle, what is 40°? PRS. So your angle is at R, right? Angle is at R. And what are the arms of the angle? It is RP and RS. RP, it is there already. And then RS. Okay. So this will be your 40°. Got it? And next 80°. What is 80°? It is RPS. RPS is 80°. And your angle is at P. Already we have drawn one P angle, isn't it? We have written. And now we are going to see for the other one. Be patient. Don't hurry up. Angle is at P. And what are the arms? PR and PS. PR is there. PS is also there. Am I right? And now the angle that lies between those two is 80°, right? Shall we start the construction now? Yes, draw the segment PQ 5 centimeter. Take out your protractor, place it at P. Measure 50° in your protractor. Yes, join them. Put an arrow. Now take out your compass. Take 5 centimeter in your compass. Measure 5 centimeter. Yes, keep it at Q. Cut an arc. And now that point of intersection is your R. Join them and write the measurement now. Now place your protractor at P and take 80°. How do you place your protractor? not on PQ. It should lie on PR. Okay. Keep your protractor on PR and measure 80 degrees. Put the arrow. Just write the measurement 80 degrees. Now keep your protractor at R, vertex R. That's on the line PR. Okay. And now you take 40 degrees. Measure 40 degrees. Join that. Put the arrow. The point of intersection is here, yes, right? And now that is 40 degrees. Yes, clear, girl? That's all. So here we complete a construction of quadrilateral. After completing all these examples, I want you people to do the exercise 5.4. The first one, construct the following quadrilaterals with a given measurement. We are having 5 subdivisions. You have to complete that. Okay, children. See you.